she said to now. She did say to now. Hi! Hi guys!
Big on food. I'm glad you come one or other bed the mouth.
Hey guys, welcome to our room tour. Right here we have our, basically we put it in, forget with the lights. Let there be lights. Come over the side here. People, the bathroom is giving very much bathroom. Love this. So guys, we have two. So I them someone for the supposed to let over my side. She'll pick our side and she'll do. Then, this is my favorite section of the bathroom. Then we're going to have to let loose. Watch there. Your toilet flush. It's not flush. It's not really flush, but you're not going to embarrass me like that. Guys, we get 2 toilet papers. Yes. And as we said, we get 2 things to use. We have a blow dryer. And I heard them having bread, so what I forgot. You know, watch that. Put in here. We have a towel in them. We have what this? Mini soap bars, rag. We have a towel. This is a hand towel. Me, I love this. This. Look at this. With a nice clean shower. Watch your stuff. With the soap, so I get the right here, so you know, I don't have this, so I don't know what it is. I have a nice clean facet. Facet in name, friend?
Same stuff.
Nice bathroom. Nice clean towel. Guys, we are so tired. Then over here, we have our closet. I'm doing my room tour now. Soon talk to you.
It's her knocking somewhere.
People will carry take it.
She's not
attend to her. Stop. She's not gonna stop. I'm doing my room tour. Come in. Turn it over this side. This is our closet. Oh my god. We got robes. We got robes to the both of us. I will have an iron. Friend, come in here. Wait there. I think it can slide. I don't know what this is extra. Blankets. Over this side we have a nice clean. We call this coming on if you put in there. It's the safe and not my cousin looking in our fridge before we are over there. We have iron right here. Pretty I do too much of the room tour. So guys, next one I have over here, so turn. Don't let them sit over yet. We have a nice clean mini bar. Watch Kingston room up the store. What is that? Vodka. Period. I have a coffee section. This is how I want to see somebody that drink when I come here. We'll get water.
My friend loves water.
We're leaving with this water. Guys, as we pull the fridge, we have a nice clean red stripe room right this so. We have cold water. We have a cola. Well, the 2 of them are Coca-Cola. I was Sprite and one mix hot. We're clearing this out. We have a freezer, nothing in there. Yeah. So guys, when you come to this side of the room, yeah, the face. That's my cousin over there. It's our bed. One on the side them for money for one for me.
How are you gonna do that?
And then the mirror right there. That's my camera girl, yeah. Nice clean. Mirror for so silent. Right this so. Yes you. I'll have a look at being right down there so. Guys, this is one of my favorite. Everywhere favorite for me. We just love their room, yeah. the big flat screen TV. You know when you go place and you see like a beanie TV, them for your quinge eye. Girl, I know good so them get a big one. Big like me. Down there so have a little sitting area or something like that.
Sitting here at a table.
Well, me have sit down on it. I will have down here so I can put shoes on. So over here we have a nice sofa with the birthday girl. Right, yes. We have a little table. And then we have our dresser right here. I don't really put things on them, so I don't want to lift nothing. I don't have no food, not much of a yard for lift nothing. So probably we're gonna use that. We have a nice little canvas right here. What is books? I wonder if I can bring this to my friend them at work.
Why would you want?
Jesus. Green Book Jamaica. Next, guys. Oh, watch nice balcony. In fact, we're cool. Right, so.
You always gotta ask for ridiculous things.
Watch me. Jesus. Hello. Yeah. Saying hi to the vlog. Yes. The balcony nice. Me say hello, something can each other. We have 2 seats as well, guys. And before we enter the room, we could have seen the water slide. But my friend be too excited for coming in at the room, so I'm showing a little light, but she never realized. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Wraps up the room tour. I hope you guys really enjoyed it as much as I do and as much as I'm going to. Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
We're leaving to visit sister's room.
Sister will class if we go over there.
She said when you come our place for now. I'll give you more than enough.
I love the view with the slide.
Come, watch this. Hi! Hi guys!
Oh, big on food. I'm glad you come. Want to know how that bed open out.
So then,
You have to catch this. There are lots of hidden things in here.
for a minute, look here, you know.
We got a new lotion and it's full.
Wait, then.
Melissa, come pick up that. One of my sweet parties. We don't know if it's
What's the bed?
Oh, so to me change the password of that. Oh, you try right over. Let's spend it here.
A good bed, you know.
You know what's in there in there?
You're
You are that not sitting there with them. It's nice. It's actually nice.
I'm telling you, a good mattress them I go put on you.
Yeah. I told me they more on my sheet. I want the fresh sheet down here. I mean, I go up in the bed and I ain't sleeping on it.
At the liberty for me. Just the liberty.
So the welcome for this.
I'm going to go outside of them balcony. Balcony. Guys, this is so beautiful. Like, nice.